Everyone, Rebecca here, and today is hair wash day, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you this shampoo and conditioner that was gifted to me in exchange for my review. These came as a box set, and it came in this cute little box. It also came with some stickers. They are super cute. Now what's really cool about this is that they are keratin shampoo and conditioner, and this is used for colored hair or just any type of hair that's looking for some more moisturizer. And as you can see, my hair really is dry. I do color it to see what this shampoo and conditioner is going to do for my hair. So come with me while I shampoo my hair, and then we're going to style it as usual. Show you the outcome after I use these great shampoo and conditioner.
Now, as you can see, the shampoo does suzz up very well. There was a lot of bubbles, and then the conditioner itself was super simple. Look at the outcome of my shampoo and conditioner use. I mean, this is one use, and it is beautiful. I had to take it out in the sunlight. This is the day after I just woke up. All I needed to really do is brush it and go. So if you're looking for a shampoo and conditioner, look no further. Here it is.